Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Prune, where we talk all things tech and travel. Today we got a very interesting topic lined up for you. It's about airports. All of us love to travel from one place to another, but you'll all agree that sometimes you got butterfly in our stomach when we think of traveling, especially from an airport's perspective. So we thought we'd pull up a list of things you could do to make travel from the airport to your destination is absolutely pleasurable without any problems. Firstly, when you're there at the airline check-in counter, make sure you don't forget to ask for an upgrade. You know why? Because a lot of people in their politeness or in shyness would never ask for an upgrade. But there is absolutely no problem if you ask for an upgrade, you don't lose anything. If at all, you will just move from economy to upgrade business class or something in between. So next time you're there at the counter, definitely check out the customer service executive. Can you get an upgrade on your ticket? I'm sure not always, but large number of times you will actually get an upgrade. Okay, next, you have just checked it at the airline counter, you walk towards the security check. So what do you do when you walk up to the security check and you are walking to the screening? Typically, everybody takes a right and goes to the security counters which are on the right. Our suggestion is take left. This is because this world is largely made of right-handed people and they all prefer to go right. So what you will find is that the rows on the left are much thinner, and in fact if you go the farthest on the left side, possible that you will get a security clearance in a jiffy. Next up on our list is the portable charger. When we travel to the airports and of course to our destination from there, you never know how the flights are going to pan out, in terms of schedule. A lot of times, the flights will just get delayed. It's essential that you carry a portable charger. Why? Because if the flight is getting delayed, you are not getting stuck to one particular place of charging your phone. So next time you are heading to the airport, don't forget to pack in a portable mobile charger or even a bigger charger in case you've got more devices. You never know when this will come in handy. We all love to take flights and travel to our destination, but most of us, in fact, I would say all of us are scared of turbulence. Try taking all the morning flights to your destination. Chances are that the turbulence will be fast smoother or there may actually not be any turbulence. So our advice is that when you're checking in for a flight or checking out flights to travel to, look for flights which are in the morning and you'll be turbulence free. Our other advice is that you should check in 24 hours before your flight. What it does is that it saves you from expensive cabs and the last minute and also saves you the time of standing in queue for boarding. Also in countries where there is electronic check-in available, let's say for example in India, which is called Yatri, you can use your boarding pass to get a quick entry into the airport. It saves you a lot of time. The next important advice we have for you when you're at the airport is when you're giving your luggage for check-in, make sure you take a picture of your luggage. What it does is that when you are taking back your luggage at your destination, you will always be able to refer to your picture to compare your actual luggage. Because there are chances that there are other people with similar or maybe even exactly similar luggage design, make and the look. We have another hack or advice for you. If you're looking to carry liquids in the check-in baggage, then make sure those liquids are absolutely frozen. For example, if you're carrying water, then the water should be absolutely frozen. Less frozen liquid will not go through the check-in counter. But if they're absolutely frozen, you can safely carry liquid inside as well. Okay, the other aspect where we struggle at the airport is actually just as we get into the plane is with the seats. We struggle to choose which seats to pick up. We're going to tell you about an app which can help you tell you which is the best seat. This is called Seat Olo. You can go and see the review of those particular seats and then choose accordingly. In fact, you tell others once you've done with your flight, make sure you also give a review of the seat so that the next passenger, when he's trying to choose his own best seat, they have a review to refer to. Our other advice is that you should check in the restaurant shops at the airport before you leave for the airport, typically well in advance. You can also check out the menu which you would like to try. Sometimes When you once you check in and you have also gone through the security, you realize that the shops are not there beyond the security cup. So it's always better that if you know that the shops are prior to the security check-in, so any shopping you have to do, any food you have to take, you can always kind of experience it. If you don't know, like you will be kind of taken by surprise and you will not be able to make best utilization of that location where you have been. So friends, these are our tips and hacks for the airport. I hope you have liked it. And if you have friends who love traveling and are frequently at the airport, don't forget to share this video with them. And also like this video and do subscribe to Prune app, our channel for all things tech and travel.